you're enjoying the Jack on the Go show.
Take a look what I'm looking at right now. No lie, it's literally August 24th. That's right. Celebrating all year long. Just want to talk about the prices. The wraps were $2.99 each. Okay guys, so the best thing on the menu right now, today, is probably the 2 Bacon Juniors for $5. If you guys are trying to stretch $1, that's probably the best thing. Or if you're trying to not eat as much bread, go with the wrap, and we'll take a look at those and see if they're worth buying for $2.99. So this sandwich was $6.79. That's awfully high price. We're gonna take a look at what's on it, then we're gonna look at a $2.99 wrap. See what's on that. Put them side by side. Go ahead and take it apart. Got 2 things of tomato, got cheese, a little bit of lettuce, some mayo. What is that, bacon? 2 pieces of bacon. And what else? Anything else?
Honey mustard, chicken.
Mustard?
Honey mustard.
Oh, honey mustard, chicken. Yep. So that's what we got, and that's for $6 and what?
79 cents.
Thanks for your help. I don't know what I got on that, but anyway. We're gonna see a difference. So the bun is $6, and you can get a wrap for $2.99. It's a lot cheaper. Let's see what comes in the wrap.
Lettuce.
2 bacon, 2 tomatoes.
Oh look, honey mustard one too. Funny.
This is the honey mustard one. You got half a chicken patty.
About a quarter.
A quarter? Really? Yeah, that's pretty torn up. That's not even a half. Okay. Okay, so 1/4.
And you get a bacon and tomato.
So you pay twice as much. You get 4 times as much chicken. I don't see tomato. Do you see tomato?
Yeah, it's tomato right there.
Oh, that's the
tomato and bacon.
Okay, so you get very little. What you got on the sandwich? Okay. Okay, so I see the price difference. All right, so we'll try this out and see how it is. They're brand new. Came out today, and today is August 24th. Okay, so I guess my wife is trying it.
I'm done.
Could you eat those?
Chicken's moist, yeah.
Chicken's moist? Because some other reviewers said it wasn't very moist, it was dry. But that could be a whole other state. All right, let me try one. This thing's really wet. It's a spicy one. It's all over. So I'm gonna pick it up and just try it. Yeah, I think the wrap's better than the sandwich. So we looked at both of them. Wraps are like half the price, and they'll fill you up. And so if you're trying to stretch $1, I say go with the wraps. Okay, guys, so they did a great job on the wraps, and the best part about the wraps, they're not dry. A lot of sauce, honey mustard tastes like honey mustard, spicy, a lot of spicy. The regular one, that's the regular one, right? That was good too. They did a great job on all of them. They're only $2.99. I would get those over the sandwiches any day. Definitely a plus. I'm giving them probably an A-. An A- because
More chicken in there.
they should put more chicken in. But everything played together good. The tomato, the bacon, the chicken, but the other guy who reviewed that I saw, he had half a chicken patty. So 1/4 of a chicken patty is a little bit different, but I'm not complaining. I'm highly recommending it. Love you guys. Bye.